pause 2 sec. What if we could harness the power of AI to make the world a better place? Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots or futuristic technology, it's about using innovation to solve real-world problems. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and with greater accuracy, potentially saving millions of lives. In education, AI provides personalized learning experiences, ensuring that every student, regardless of background, can reach their full potential. And in the fight against climate change, AI monitors environmental changes, helps us reduce waste, and protects our planet for future generations. From enhancing disaster response to improving food production, AI is a powerful tool for good, one that can create a more equitable and sustainable world. AI isn't just technology, it's hope. It's a tool for progress, compassion, and a better tomorrow. Let's use AI for good. Join us in exploring the positive impacts of AI. Subscribe to our Data Space X channel for more inspiring stories and insights.